Good afternoon. My name is Rex Yapi. I am the president and founder of Papua New Guinea Cryptid Research Organization. I have been in operation for the last 16 years without government support. I have been struggling uh, through the support, through the support by the global cryptogeological community. So one of the devices which the cryptogeological community members have donated to me is a Phantom 3 professional drone here. I have been using this drone for the last 7 years. Lately, the drone has gone bad. Its camera has gone bad here. It's broken now. The gimbal, the attachment here, it normally stays like this, but it's broken. It's broken, so I really need a drone to explore the jungles and all this. So it's remote. This is the camera. That's the 4K camera. This drone is all-weather um, drone. It can sustain wind, rainy conditions, and all this. This is a durable drone which I really love in tropical conditions. So yes, if anybody can help me, I am appealing to the government organizations in my country, Papua New Guinea. Anybody who wants to help me, please do so. I am also appealing to my donor cryptogeological partners worldwide. I really need drone to start my work. For Papua New Guinea, cryptogeological researchers are healthy for tourism. We have potentials in cryptid-tourism in this country. So any government organization or any individual companies that wish to help me, please. I really need several of these kind of drones. At least 2 should be okay. So I'm making an official appeal to any entity that needs to help me. Today I'm making an official appeal for this one. This one, the rotors have broken. The gimbal is intake, but the camera is it's broken. I cannot repair it in this country. There's no repair shop in Papua New Guinea. So all I have to do is I have to send it to overseas. Previously it got damaged twice, so I sent it to Singapore. Now it's beyond repair. So I really need a new drone. Thank you and good afternoon from Kumene village. This is my village. It's my small village in which my headquarters are based in.